Welcome to Target to get gym bro snacks. Welcome to After Saturday Class with Ken's and Delaney.
Duncan and Isadora.
Duncan and Isadora.
About to hit the first floor.
We got off the train.
We're more than halfway there.
Now we're gonna walk to Target. We got really wetted on. Hey guys.
We didn't vlog any of the
We
rest
didn't
of
vlog
the
at Target because it was so...
We were hungry.
We were very hungry and it was a lot. But now we're going to CVS.
We made our gym bro lunch.
We made our gym bro lunch. It was very gym bro. Very, very delicious. Now we're going to CVS to print pictures for Caleb's birthday. Okay, so we're back on our way back from CVS. We got some popcorn, some Nerds gummy clusters, and some peanut M&Ms, and also our printed pictures for Caleb's birthday. We're going to get cookie. We're going to get cookie. Oh my. Goddamn. Hey guys, so it's Caleb's birthday. The big 1-2 for Caleb. He's 12. Was it worth it?